Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 10. This weekly assessment depends on Pythagoras theorem, so you must pay attention about the rules. We have the theorem here, AC power 2 equivalent to AP power 2 plus CP power 2 plus because the measure of angle be equal 90 degree. So in this example, you want to find what is the area of the square drawing on the side AC. So AC power 2 equivalent to AB power 2, it will be 9, 3 power 2 equal 9, and 4 power 2 equals 16. Sum of them is 25. Okay, then the answer will be letter D. Choose letter D. Next question. Number 2, which of the following number could be side lengths of right angle triangle? Which is the answer? We must know the greater sides here, power 2 or product by itself is equivalent to the sum of two powers of other sides. Like what? We have letter A, B, C, D. Which is the answer will be correct? Look at with me about letter A. We can write the greatest number 5 here. It will be 5 power 2. Is 5 power 2 is 25 times 5 is 25. And also 7 power 2 is 49. 8 2 7 power and also 7 power 2 it will be 49. We can collect two numbers here. 49 is greater or 7 is greater than 9. Yeah, 49 is relation between them and the sum of 49 and 49. We know 7 and 7 and 5, this side length isosceles triangle, but I asked about the angle. 49 is less than 425 plus 45. This triangle about letter A, we called it isosceles triangle, and also 25 plus 49 greater than 49. This triangle we called it acute angle triangle. So look at with me about letter B. Letter A is correct, not correct. Okay, letter B. What about 9 power 2 is 81, and also 8 power 2 plus 5 power 2. 8 power 2 equals 64, and 5 power 2 is 25. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 60 plus 2 equal 8. This triangle will be what? 81 is less than 89. This triangle we called it acute angle triangle also. And what about letter C here? Letter C, we have 15 power 2 is 225, and 9 power 2 it will be 81, and also 12 power 2 144. We can add together 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 8 12, 2 and carry 1 225. It's equivalent. So you must choose letter C. This will be right angle triangle. The side length is here. It will be 9 and 12, and the hypotenuse will be 15. Okay, 15 power 2 is equivalent to 9 power 2 plus 12 power 2. Then you must choose here letter C. Next example here. Look at this question. Second question. Answer the following. In the opposite figure here, find the value of x. We have angle C here. The measure of angle C is 90 degree. Then we can write this in the proof in triangle. Look at here. In this triangle, APC, such that measure of angle C equal 90 degree. Then we can write AC power 2 is equivalent to AP power 2 subtract by CP power 2. Then AC power 2 will be x power 2 here, and the hypotenuse here 26 power 2 subtract by CP power 2 24 power 2. You can use calculator to find the answer here, right? 26 power 2 subtract by 24 power 2. Then the answer will be 100. Then x power 2 equal 100. Then you can find the length of x. It will be 10 centimeters, square root of 100. Okay, then the answer here will be 10 centimeter because we have right angle triangle, so you can use Pythagoras theorem. Question number 4, determine the type of this triangle. Okay, to convert or to find the answer in this example, you must know the greater. Which is the greater length here? We have 3 root 3, 4 root 3, 5 root 3. We have 5 root 3. It's greater. 5 root 3 power 2 equal 25 times 3, it will be 75. We can collect together 8 plus 10 15, 5 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. They are equivalent. This triangle will be right angle triangle. We have right angle triangle. Okay, next question. In the opposite figure, he wants to prove that the angle D is 90 degrees. First step, we can find the length of DB from this triangle at right hand side, BCD. We have BC equal 9 centimeter and CD 12 centimeter. We can find the hypotenuse from Pythagorean theorem. So you must write these properties when you write the answer. Okay, first we can determine the type of triangle first, and triangle BDBC such that measure of angle C equivalent to is 90 degrees, and DB or power 2 here, look at DB is the hypotenuse in this triangle, and DB power 2 is equivalent to CP power 2 8 to DC power 2. We can collect together here. CB power 2 equal 9 power 2, it will be 81, plus DC power 2 12 power 2, it will be 144. We can collect together here. 4 plus 1 5 and 4 plus 8 12, 2 and the carry of 1 will be 225. Then DB is equivalent to square root of 225 is 15 centimeter. This is DB. Now in second triangle up APD, we have here combining between hypotenuse or the greater number. Okay, look at here, this triangle here, this triangle. Okay, we have B and C and A. The greater here will be AC, because you want to prove this angle right. So you must combine between EC power 2 and AP power 2 plus PC power 2. If they equivalent, this triangle will be right. Okay, understood? Then we can write AC power 2 here, 17 power 2. Right, 17 power 2 is equivalent 289. And AB power 2, 8 power 2 is 64. Plus PC power 2. PC here, no, not BC, BD. Okay, that's BD. BD power 2, it will be what we have, 225, 15 power 2, because we found this line at last triangle. Okay, you know, I found it, the length was 15. Okay, 15 power 2, it will be 225. If we collect together, it will be 289. Then this triangle will be what? Will be right. Then measure of angle APD equal 90 degree. Okay, next question. Second group B. The opposite figure, what is the area of square drawing on side LM? Look at here, we have right angle triangle at angle M. Then we can use these properties about Pythagorean theorem. Okay, you know Pythagorean theorem about hypotenuse. The hypotenuse here ln power 2 is equivalent to first side here ln power 2, it will be 1, and nm power 2, 3 power 2 is 9. Then 1 plus 9 equal 10. And the answer here will be 10 square centimeter. Next question, number 2. Which of the following numbers could be the lengths of side of acute angle triangle? Acute angle triangle about what? Look with me about like this question, letter C, and find the answer. Okay, we have about letter C, 6 power 2 is 36, and 5 power 2 plus 3 power 2. 5 power 2 is 25, and 3 power 2 is 9. We can collect together here. 25 plus 9 equals 34. Then 36 is greater than 34. We called it right obtuse angle triangle. Okay, what about 6 and 6 and 9? We can write 9 power 2 is 81, and 6 power 2 is letter A. Okay, 6 power 2 plus 6 power 2 is 72. 81 is greater than this obtuse angle also. And what about letter B? 13 power 2 is 169, and 12 power 2 144. 5 power 2 is 25. They are equivalent. It's right angle triangle. And what about letter D here? Letter D, 10 power 2 and 11 power 2. We can write 11 power 2 first, 121. 10 power 2 100. 9 power 2 81. The answer 181. Then this triangle, we called it acute angle triangle because 10 power 2 plus 80 plus 9 power 2 equal 181 greater than 121. This letter D is the solution. We have acute angle triangle. Next question, number 3. Here we have triangle right angle at angle A. Then we can use here Pythagorean theorem to find the length of AC. We have CB is 25 centimeter and AB 15 centimeter. Then we can write x power 2 equivalent to the hypotenuse here 25 power 2 subtract by 15 power 2. 25 power 2 is 625. 15 power 2 is 225. Then the subtract between them is 400. Then the value of x here, x square root of 400 equal 20 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Determine the type of triangle with respect to its angle. Is the list of sides are root 5, root 6, root 7. First step, we must write root 7 here, the greatest sides first, or power 2, and root 5 power 2 and root 6 power 2. This number will be 7, and here 5 plus 6 equal 11. This triangle, we called it obtuse angle triangle. This triangle and obtuse angled triangle. Next question, number 5. The opposite figure proves that measure of angle LZX equal 90 degree angle. First step, we can find the length of XZ. First is this triangle by right hand side, right? In triangle XYZ such that measure of angle Y equal 90 degree, then xz power 2 equal xy power 2 plus zy power 2. Then we have 4 power 2 is 16 and zy 3 power 2 is 9 is 25. Then xz equals square root of 25 equal 5 centimeter. Okay, this side length 5 centimeter about xz. Okay, in second triangle up here LXZ, we can prove this triangle is right angle triangle. By right, the long sides here, look at with me this triangle like this. Okay, this side length LX was 13 centimeter and LZ is 12 centimeter and XZ we found it 5 centimeter. We can prove this angle right. How? We can write LX power 2 combining between LX power 2 and LZ power 2 plus XZ power 2. LZ power 2 is 12 power 2 144 and XZ power 2 25 and LX 13 power 2 169. In the sum of them it's equivalent. Then the measure of angle Z is 90 degree. Okay. Next question. C. First, choose the correct answer. What is the area of square drawn on side HG? HG here side of right angle triangle. Then HG power 2 is equivalent to HC power 2 100 subtracted by GB power 2 8 power 2 x 64. The difference between them equal 36. Then the area will be 36 square centimeter. Next question. Which of the following number could be inside of obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle triangle, its meaning the power of greater number is greater than sum of powers of first side and second side. What answer will be correct? Think with me here about 6. We can write letter C here. 6 power 2 is 36 and 3 power 2 is 9 and 5 power 2 is 25. The sum of them is 34. Then 36 greater than sum of 2 powers of other sides here. Then we must choose letter C about this question. Okay, the answer correct, letter C. Next question here, he won't find the parameter of this triangle here. We won't find the length of x first. We know from Pythagoras theorem such that this triangle ABC right angle triangle and the measure angle B. Then we can write x power 2 is equivalent to 20 power 2 plus 21 power 2. Okay, 20 power 2 plus 21 power 2, it will be 400 plus 21 power 2 right here in this your calculator. 21 power 2 it's equivalent to 441. You can collect together, the result will be 881. You can find square root, then square root of 841 will be 29. The answer will be 29 centimeter. Next question here, number 4. Determine the type of this triangle with respect of its angle is the list of I sides 10 and 10 root 3 and 20. Okay, we can determine the type of this triangle by right 10 root 3 power 2, it will be 100 times 300, but 20 power 2 is 400, it's greater. We can write 20 power 2 is 400. Okay, and next question, our next side here we have 10 power 2 plus 10 root 3 power 2. 10 power 2 is 100. 10 root 3 power 2, 100 times 3, it will be 300. Then the collective went together. Then the right of this triangle, or the type of this triangle, it will be right angle triangle. We have right angle triangle. Okay, next question. The opposite figure proves that measure of angle C equal 90 degree. First step, we can work at triangle here ADP. Look at ADP. You can find the length of DB first, just from Pythagoras theorem about triangle DAB, such that triangle DAB was right angle triangle at angle A, such that, and triangle ADB, this triangle measure of angle A is equivalent to 90 degree. Then dB power 2 is equivalent to dA power 2 plus AB power 2. It's equivalent to AD power 2 equal 9 and E power 2 121. Sum of them equals 130 square centimeter. And then in triangle, we can write here in triangle DCP, such that if we prove that dB power 2 equivalent to CD power 2 plus CB power 2, then we have right angle triangle. Then in this triangle DCB here, look, we have dB power 2 combining between dB power 2, you know dB power 2 equal 130, and also CD power 2 plus CB power 2, the sum of them equals 7 power 2 49, and 9 power 2 it will be 81. Sum of them 9 plus 9 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 equal 13, they are equivalent. Then this triangle will be right angle triangle. Okay, then triangle ACP is right angle triangle, or you can write such that measure of angle C equal 90 degree. Next question. Okay, finish question now about this week assessment number 10.